Where are your teeth?
Why are your teeth screws?
Whoa! It was a lot of screws.
Correcting mass. What does that do? I guess it corrects your teeth? Maybe?
Yeah, it's just to mold your teeth.
Okay. Okay, so we're getting a mold of our teeth. What are we gonna do with them?
I don't know, to make some grade. Or
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe to make, like a grill?
Grill, yeah.
Like
This is the world.
This is the world?
World.
It's like Wiz Khalifa or like Kanye or something. Cool.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. We got a model of the teeth. Maybe it's just for her collection of people's teeth. You don't have a collection of people's teeth in your room?
I'm healthy enough.
I think I have a set of yours, actually.
What?
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 Nothing.
Nothing.
So it looks like it's gonna be like braces or something. Getting some wax, modeling. All right.
What a technique.
What a technique. What are we doing here exactly? Is this like...
It's grills.
It's a grill. Okay. Ooh, it looks like vampire fangs.
Yeah.
I think they're making vampire fangs.
Yeah. Kinda nice, I guess.
Okay. Let's see how this turns out, because right now it looks a little messy. Okay. Do you have any grills?
No. And I have never thought about this.
No? Okay.
Do you?
I'm gonna get you a grill for your birthday.
Okay. It will look interesting.
They just make you feel powerful.
You think it's how it works?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
People respect people with grills.
Oh, rap songers.
Yeah, exactly.
Have grills and
you can't understand what they're saying when they have them on. Awesome.
Actually, I need this as well,
yeah.
for sure.
So it's an excuse.
It will be excuse. What are you talking, Archie?
I'm really hungry, man. So we're polishing this up. Right now it looks kind of interesting. I don't know if I would necessarily wear it though, you know?
It's kind of fashionable.
It's fashionable.
Oh, yeah.
I always worry about them though, because like what if your teeth move and then like you try to take it off and it's like takes off all your teeth.
I think it shouldn't be like so if your teeth strong enough.
She doesn't look like the grill wearing type.
Stop judging.
I'm not judging, I'm just saying.
If she feel like so,
okay, if you feel like doing it, you should do it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, yes. You do you, boo-boo.
Exactly. It's kind of weird shape, but okay. Kind of makes place to be.
Why not?
Whoa!
Why do you do it like that?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, so we're taking out this mold,
another mold for
covering it with pink stuff.
Just clay or so.
So they're gonna make another like full-on set of teeth. Nice. Let's see how this looks.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay. Good looking set of teeth. Nice.
Nice teeth.
So we're making more molds around the teeth. Ooh, that looks kind of cool.
That shape I like more.
Yeah, I like that shape much more. Oh, what is happening? What is happening?
I don't know.
I totally understand what's happening. I'm afraid. What are they gonna do this poor person?
Oh, they're gonna cast them.
They're gonna cast it?
I guess so.
Okay.
So they put it, so after that they let it dry. And through the holes which they prepare before, they will cast all this thing.
Okay.
I think they already did it.
So they just cast it.
They just did it.
It's metal now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they should pour a metal thing in it.
Yeah, okay.
So as they did, but they didn't show it.
Okay. So I feel like that's not going to be comfortable in your mouth at all. It looks very spiky and painful. To me.
But I think they will prepare it.
Okay.
Make it more smooth. I don't know.
Here, wear these. Okay. Ah! That's what I'm imagining is going to happen. It looks really cool though. It looks like a crown for your teeth. Like your teeth are royalty.
Look at this diamond. Oh, it wasn't diamond.
It's a real
That was-
diamond.
Do you think
Probably
so?
not, no.
Yeah.
Maybe a crystal.
Wow. That looks sick.
That looks really cool. Never mind.
Wow.
Forget what I said.
Nice.
Maybe it's uncomfortable though.
We'll never know.
Okay, more teeth. What's happening here? What are we doing? Another mold. She has really good teeth. Good job for taking. Good job, your parents, for telling you to brush your teeth.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're making another mold here. Each of the molds look different from each other. This one looks.
Different technique and
Ooh.
different product for it.
So we're shaving the mold here.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
They cut off almost everything.
3D scan.
Oh.
They're gonna 3D print her.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
This is future.
This is the future. Yeah.
Yes.
In the future, we won't even need teeth. We're just gonna have tablets that expand in our stomachs and like make us full.
Interesting.
And we're gonna have, but they're gonna taste like you just ate a whole meal. We're gonna like, we're gonna put on VR glasses.
Okay.
And we're gonna go like this, and it feels like we're eating the turkey, but we're not eating the turkey, and we're actually getting just the perfect amount of carbs, but we're experiencing how it feels to taste it.
What inside this brain?
So much mega science and experience. I am Elon Musk's long lost son, E7547.
So.
Okay, so we're filling the mold with metal. All right, so they showed it that time.
Yes. Thanks God,
Thanks God.
but I missed it.
Okay, so what do we got here now? Putting it in the washing machine.
It's sun
Ooh,
blaster.
what is this future stuff?
Is sun blaster? Or
What is this machine though that they're scraping it off with?
this is sun blaster.
Oh, it's a sun blaster.
Yes.
Oh.
The sun goes very, fast for this thing.
Wow. Okay.
And yeah,
All
it's
this for a
polished,
grill that
yeah.
says love on it. Seems like a lot of effort. It's kind of cute, but I don't know. Not for me.
Love. Not for me as well, but
I have one that says hate on it, but
what? Uh-huh.
Okay.
Some polishing, okay.
Love, 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 love.
Love.
Yay!
Okay, looks pretty.
Except when she wears it to school, some guy's gonna get the wrong idea.
Yeah.
He's like, "Yay! Finally, someone loves me." She's like, "Wait, no." She changes it with the hate one. She's like,
I'll put it back.
Don't look at me.
So.
Okay, so we're making a mold of fake teeth. Oh, temporary veneer. Okay, so they're taking the shape of... Oh, they're taking the lost shape, yeah. The long lost shape.
Now I got how it works.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they have to make the correct shape or else the rest of their jaw could move and like ruin the tooth. The whole tooth setup, Ooh.
It looks satisfying.
It does look kind of satisfying, but also it's making me cringe because it just reminds me of like losing, or chipping a tooth.
It actually should work on upgrade,
It should make me feel better.
Better than it's restored.
I mean, it's nice that it's restored, but just seeing it like being filled in and it's like not your tooth, but it's in your mouth.
I see your point, but yeah. Good job.
Very good job. That looked
Wow.
perfect. Okay.
Good.
So they just that's UV. What is it called? The stuff that dries really fast under UV.
UV clay or something.
Yeah, like clay or or like cement.
Yeah.
Ooh, why is it red inside? Oh!
You're supposed to wash your
tooth, man. Come on, dude. Oh, I don't like this. I know it's a fake tooth, but I just don't like it.
Wow. Oh. Wow.
Ooh, they're putting a spacer between it. What are they gonna do? They taking it out?
What?
They're putting some acid on it, I guess, to clean it out, like disinfect it.
Yeah. To put some stuff.
Now they're putting the filling in. Okay. Yeah, this just makes me appreciate dentists. Like that's not easy.
It's not easy at all.
Very delicate work. And people need their teeth,
Exactly. And do you know the fact that if you will very sick with your teeth. You can die.
Yeah, you can die. It's through the gums.
Yeah.
You have to be careful about the gums. Always floss.
Pay attention to your teeth.
We need more!
More reactions.
Blah, 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 blah.
This is our ending.